Ever wondered what it takes to transform a stadium from the ground up? Today, we take you behind the scenes where every corner, every beam, and every level tells a story of precision, skill, and massive effort. Stick around. What you're about to see will completely change the way you look at construction. The compression ring is becoming increasingly visible and dominant in the structure. Its scale is now clearly defined, marking a critical stage in the stadium's structural framework. Work continues on expanding the compression ring, with workers preparing connection points where new structural segments will be integrated with existing sections. Additional scaffolding has been installed to support upcoming lifting operations, and large structural components are positioned nearby, ready for installation, indicating that major assembly work is imminent. The Tribuna area shows the highest level of activity across the site. Multiple machines, including cranes, lifts, and concrete pumps, are operating simultaneously. While no major new louver support connections have been added recently, structural preparation continues actively across multiple levels. Workers are applying protective coatings to beams, enhancing durability and resistance. At the same time, new structural elements are being lifted and installed using cranes. This reflects a dual-phase workflow, combining structural protection with ongoing expansion. The south goal shows limited activity at ground level, while the upper structure sees significant progress. Scaffolding and slab panels cover the entire upper area, reflecting steady structural advancement. Interior corridor work is not clearly visible, but worker movement confirms ongoing activity. At beam level, closely spaced metal connectors for future louver supports are being installed, with similar work expected on adjacent beams where preparation markings are visible. Near the corner, sandwich panels are actively being transported and positioned. Some parts of the lateral structures still have gaps, indicating that panel installation is not yet complete. Multiple workers are operating on elevated platforms, carrying out installation tasks. Although exact operations are partially obscured, continuous assembly and alignment work is clearly in progress across both upper and lower connected walkways. No new louver installations have been observed in this section recently. However, surface cleaning operations using air pressure tools are underway, preparing the structure for upcoming installations. Workers are also preparing for welding operations in the upper sections, indicating ongoing reinforcement and structural connection work. Protective safety netting has been installed along the front edge to prevent falling debris, with guardrails, warning signs, and regular safety checks in place to ensure maximum protection for workers in active zones below. Black panel installation has progressed rapidly. Within a short time frame, previously half-completed sections have been fully finished, while new sections have already reached mid-installation. This reflects a highly efficient workflow, with panel installation advancing at a consistent and accelerated pace. A major advancement has been observed in anchor installations. Large portions of the structure now have anchors fully installed, especially in upper areas where only minor work remains. This rapid progress indicates preparation for the next phase, particularly related to louver installation and external structural systems. New structural elements, including pillars and radial beams, have been delivered to the site. Compared to previous days, there is a noticeable increase in available materials for expanding the compression ring. Multiple radial beams are now staged on-site, confirming readiness for the next phase of installation. In the north goal section, louver installation remains paused. However, this is due to ongoing work in upper structural areas. Visible markings on the beams suggest that protective coatings are yet to be applied. This step is likely required before louver installation can resume. Workers are actively installing anchors in sections where none were previously present. Elevated platforms are being used to access these areas, with materials prepared for coating and sealing. At the same time, crane operations are ongoing, likely positioning structural components in upper areas that are not fully visible from ground level. At higher levels, cranes appear to be removing formwork panels. This indicates that concrete pouring has been completed and has progressed through the curing stage. This marks a transition from primary structural construction to finishing and integration phases. Significant progress is visible in beam installation within the structural framework that will support vertical systems such as elevators. Workers are securing beams using cranes and elevated platforms, with steady advancement observed in recent days. The prefabricated seating section in the south goal is nearing completion. Only minimal sections remain unfinished, indicating that this phase is close to finalization. Progress has slightly slowed, but the remaining workload is minimal. Across multiple areas, workers are actively welding and reinforcing upper structural elements. Crane operations continue to support installation at height. Scaffolding remains heavily in use, with concentrated activity in the highest levels, confirming continued vertical development across the stadium.